Welcome to Quiet Hours. Tonight, let the sound of rain and distant thunder carry you somewhere peaceful. A forest at night. The rain falls softly on the leaves. The thunder rolls far away, never close enough to worry. You are safe here. Your body is warm. Your mind is slowing. Every drop of rain takes another small concern and lets it dissolve into the earth. There is nothing you need to do. No one you need to be. Just this moment, and the gentle rhythm of the forest. Let your breath match the rain. Inhale slowly. Exhale fully. Feel your shoulders soften. Feel your jaw relax. The storm is passing. The night is long and kind. Drift now. Sleep deeply. Let the forest hold you until morning.